Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Let's start lesson number 2, Types of Software, Part 3, children. Today's topic is Utility Program. Children, let us read. Utility Programs. Utility software performs specific tasks usually related to manage a computer, its devices, or its programs. Children, you can observe on the screen there are some utility programs which are installed in our systems. If you want to check utility programs in your system, please enter Windows key plus X. Note down, children, Windows key plus X shows you the utility programs in your system. So, you may think, what are these programs are useful for us? It is useful for the computer, children. These programs are used for computers. Okay, children? These programs assist in the smooth functioning of the computer system, and it helps to perform in a better way. Examples of utility programs: antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, etc. These utilities helps you to avoid virus attacks and takes backup of data, recovery data that been accidentally erased, children. Network utility. Network utility is nothing but the internet connection that is connected to different system or a particular system. So what is the duty of network utility? Its duty is to examine the network speed and performance, how the net is working. Okay, the speed of the net and how it is performing. It examines the network speed and performance. Okay, children, network utility checks the network connectivity and configuration of network devices. It examines the network speed and performance, monitors network traffic. File Manager. File Manager utility helps user to perform various operations. What kind of operations a user can perform? User means who? User means ourselves who are operating the system. Okay, children? So, it helps the user to perform various operations on files, such as creating files, deleting files, copying, transferring files from one place to another. Isn't it, children? So, it helps in managing files and folders and organize them in the computer storage. It allots specific place to the files and folders. It creates them in such a way that each file and folder is given a specific place in a system. The files are being arranged in the systematic way so that the user can easily find the files whenever required for him. Disk management. Disk management utility enables a user to view and manage the disk drives installed in a system. As you can observe the screen, children, the drives which are installed in a system is viewed on the screen. Please check what other drives are there in a system. C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. Isn't it, children? So, disk management enables the user to view and manage the disk drives installed in a computer. What type of disks are there? And in which folder the files are being stored? Which format the files are being stored? Each and every aspect is mentioned in the disk management. So it helps the user to see how many drives are there, and it can be used to partition drives, format drives, and assign drive letters. Assign drive letters means what? We can change the drive names. The system drives normally given as C, D, E. If you want to change the names except C, you can change the names of all the drives. Understood, children? Scanning. The act of examining the computer system, drivers or files for possible virus or malware attack is known as scanning, children. It is done by using antivirus utility. So, antivirus utility should be installed in a system in order to protect our system from various virus attacks. So, what happens if this antivirus is installed in a system? It protects our files and our computer against system failure, children. So, our computer with the latest version of antivirus programs from the internet should be installed in a system to ensure that it is able to detect and fight every virus threat. Examples. Children, these are some of the examples which are mentioned on the screen. Avast, Quick Heal, Not On, etc. This antivirus software can be used in your systems in order to protect your files. You can scan your drives, pen drives, and entire computer system using this software. Backup. Backup is the process of recovering the data. In case of damage or accidental loss, backup is required. In case the drive may fail, in case we lost the data, backup is necessary for a system. So, the intelligent user stores the information, takes backup in the secondary storage devices and saves the data. To access backup and restore utility, you need to click Start menu. Step 1. Click Control Panel. Step 2. Click on the System and Security. Step 3. Click on the Backup and Restore. As soon as you click Backup and Restore option, the following window will appear on the screen. Now, step 4, click on the Set up backup. Setup backup dialog box will appear on the screen. You can see the screen, children. There are different drives mentioned on the screen. D drive, E, F and G drive. So, select the drive where you want to save the backup of your file and then click Next button. You need to select the drive you want to save the file. Step 5. Select the drive you need to save your file. After clicking particular drive, next option will be blinked. As soon as you click the next option, the following image is appeared on the screen. The screen prompts, what do you want to backup? As you can clearly see on the screen, children, what it is telling, what do you want to backup? So there are two options visible on the screen, that is let Windows choose recommended. The second option is let me choose. So step 6, you should choose let me choose. Understood, children? After choosing let me choose, step 7, click next. Now review the backup job and make sure everything appears correct. As you can see the image, review backup settings are viewed. Okay, so here you can also schedule the days and the time on which the backup appears by clicking on the change schedule option. You can see here every Sunday at 7 p.m. There you can see change schedule option. If you click there, you can schedule the days and time you want to back up your files. Step 8, click Save Settings and Run Backup. So the backup will take its necessary actions as you made changes on your system. Understood, children? Compression. It is the process that shrinks files so that the less disk space is occupied. The files that are bigger in size need to be compressed while sending an email. Children, you can clearly see the image on the screen. There are several files in a folder, isn't it, children? So if you want to send an email, what you have to do? You have to compress all the files. Okay? You have to reduce the size of the files. And you need to send through email. Some of the examples are WinZip, 7-Zip, ZZip, etc. Task of the day, children. Read from the textbook. Explain the term utility software. Write hard words in classwork. First one, software. S-O-F-T, soft, W-A-R-E, software. Programs, P-R-O-G-R-A-M-S, programs. Application, A-P-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N, application. Fourth one, operating system, O-P-E-R-A-T-I-N-G, operating, S-Y-S-T-E-M, system, operating system. Fifth one, multitasking, M-U-L-T-I, multi, T-A-S-K-I-N-G, multitasking. Children, we'll be meeting in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.